Hello everybody, this is Leroy Parr from Practical Solutions Inc. giving you guys a basic rundown on how to install the FortiGate VNF onto your 3906 virtual switch. And I'll give you guys a basic rundown of how the FortiGate functions. So right here, the FortiGate virtual appliance, it allows you to mitigate blind spots by implementing critical security controls within your virtual infrastructure. And the following features can include advanced malware protection, a next generation firewall, web filtering, and anti-spam. Here is the Ciena 3906 logical view for our lab. So down at the bottom right here, this is the Ciena 3906 in our lab, and it has 4 ports that are wired up. Port 1 and port 2 are respectively connected to WAN 1 and WAN 2 of the Silver Peak Edge Connect, while port 3 is connected to the LAN port on the Fortinet, and port 4 is the management port for both of the VNFs. But in this video, we'll only be covering the FortiGate VNF, so we'll mainly be dealing with port 3 and port 4. So the software used in order to continue with this installation, it includes PuTTY or any terminal software of your choice. MD5 hash generator, again, any one of your choice, but in our lab, we choose a Cygwin 64 terminal, an FTP server of your choice. Again, in our setup, we use FileZilla, and a VNC viewer of your choice. In our case, we use Tiger VNC viewer. All right, so covering the process on how you can download the FortiGate KVM software, you would have to create an account with Fortinet itself and then log into their portal with the above website, support.fortinet.com, and then you click the download tab, and then under download tab, you go to VM images, and right here, it shows all the VM images that you can download. For this lab, we chose a version 6.06. Selected FortiGate, and the platform you select is KVM right there, and you could download either one which should be suitable for your FortiGate setup. Now once you download that file, it will be a QCOW2 file, but what you need to do is you need to convert that QCOW2 file and create an MD5 hash for when you transfer it onto your 3906 virtual switch. So here is an example. This is using Cygwin 64 terminal. So this is a command used to create an MD5 hash file out of the FortiGate software. So you just type MD5 sum, the name of the file, which is right here. This is what we named our file. The arrow sign followed by same name of the file, but you put an extension of MD5. And you have to place it into the same directory as the MD5 hash itself. So for example, this directory right here is placed inside the same directory that the MD5 hash would pick up the file. And showcasing the result, this is the file right here, the original file. And once you successfully enter that command, the following file shall be created right here. It's the same file, just with an MD5 hash extension. All right, so coming onto the VNC viewer, you would have to enter your IP address to the DNFVI portion of your 3906 virtual switch, followed by the VNC port number assigned to the VNF. So for example, if your IP address on your switch is 10.156.32.8, once you successfully transfer the file onto your 3906 virtual switch and actually download it and have it installed, you can use a command to show the different parameters that were used to download the file. And under those parameters, it should show a VNC port number. And for this example, I'm just showing you the port number that was given to us of, for example, 5800 right here. So once you enter in this IP address, also with this VNC port number, you should be able to terminal into the Tiger VNC viewer and view the terminal version of the selected VNF. So showing this portion, this is when you successfully connect into the Tiger VNC viewer VNF. So for example, when you first log in to the FortiGate, this is what shows up. And the default login for your FortiGate VM is admin with no password. And then it shows the welcome. Now what you would want to do is you would want to issue a command to show the IP address that was given to the FortiGate so you can be able to access the web UI. And the command that you would use to do this is right here, diag IP add list, right there. Once you enter that command, it will show a list of IP addresses that were given to each interface. And the very first one is the one that you would want to enter into your web browser. So following forward, once you get that IP address and once you enter it in, you'll be then prompted to log in to the web UI using the same login credentials as you did before. The default, which is login, admin, no password. And once you're inside that, you may be asked to download or upload a license. So this license is one that you should be given to you from FortiGate itself. And once you actually download that license onto your computer, you should then upload it when it's asked to the web UI. And then your web UI interface should show up as seen right here. And it shows basically everything your host set up. And once you have your license applied, this portion right here should show all the following features that were applicable to your license. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@ps4b.com. Enjoy your day. Thank you.